Types of variables in Python. In the Python, there are several types of variables are available. Now, out of all those types, coming to the first type, so the first type of variable is, we can simply call it as instance or object specific or non-static variables, which we are going to defining it in the class. As well as coming to the second type name itself is static or class level variables. And the last one is local, or we can simply call them as parameters or argument variables. Now, out of the three types, let me try to concentrate upon the first type. So instance or object specific or non-static variables in the given class. So these are all the fields or attributes for the given object in a class, and for each and every object we are having different values are available with the help of instance variables. And coming to the static variables, so static variables in the sense we can share these variables among all the objects of the given class, and with the help of static variable we can maintain the same value across all the objects in the given class. Local variables in the sense very simple. So within a method or a block, if is there any variable is available, we can simply call it as a local variable, and the scope of the local variable is available within that method or block only. And the local variable alternative name is, so we can simply call them as parameters or arguments for a given method or the block. So for a given method or a block, within that method definition, we can provide some set of attributes or set of parameters or the arguments, and all those parameters or the arguments which are acting as like as a local variable for the given method or the block. Now in the upcoming videos, I will discuss each and every variable type with suitable examples. So I hope with this you got the complete idea regarding what are the different types of variables which are available in the Python programming. That's all. Thank you.